I'm about to blow your mind with these two simple questions. Decrease 4 hours 20 minutes by 15%. Welcome to Maths World. Please subscribe to this channel. Alright, 4 hours 20 minutes by 15%. We are meant to decrease this. Looking at this, these values need to be equal to one another. One side is hour and one side is minutes. For me to be able to work with it, I have to convert everything to what? The lower value, which is minutes, for me to be able to work with it. Alright, so we all know the law that 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So that's to say 4 hours will be equal to 60 times 4, which will give us 240. 240. Then plus the 20 minutes here. That was 260 minutes. I successfully converted to minutes, and now let me carry out the next step. Alright, anything in percentage is over 100. So it will be like this: 15 all over 100 times 260 all over 1. 0 cancels 0. Alright, let's see what can go next. Now we have 5 here, we'll go 3 times. 5 here will go 2 times. Now let's see what next. 2 here will go once, and 2 here will go 13 times. Now let's see, that's 3 times 13. That will give us 39. And remember the instruction we are given in this question: decrease by 15%. Alright, the total value is what? 260. 260 minutes. So we are told here to decrease it by what? 15%. Alright, so what do we do now? Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to subtract the derivative, which is our answer, from this. So if it is increase, you are going to increase. So that will be 260 minus 39. Let's see what that will give us. Borrow 1 here, 5, 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Alright, so that will be 221 minutes. Alright, so if we are to convert it to hour and minutes, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So how many 60 is inside of here? So that should be, we have 60, 60, and 60. That's 180. 180. Alright. So if we say 221 minus 180, let's see what that will give us. 1. Borrow 1 here, 1, 12. That's 4. Okay. So that will give us 3. 3 hours 41 minutes. Alright. Therefore, this other side, it said increase 150 by 25%. Increase 150 by 25%. So I'll first of all look for 25% of 150. That will be 25 over 100 times 150. 0 cancels 0. Now let's see, 5 here will go 2 times, 5 here will go 3 times. Now let's see, 25 times 3 all over 2. That is 75 all over 2. So they say I should look for I should increase it. 25 over 2, let's see how many times this can go. 2 into 70 will be 35, 2 into 5 will be 2, that's 37. That's 37 whole number, 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Alright, that is the result. Also the same thing as, or you say 37.5. 37.5. So they say I should increase it. I should increase. That's to say add. After I've gotten my final answer, I'm supposed to what? Add. So if I'm adding using the percentage, I will be having 150 plus 37.5. So I could place my decimal here. Here will be 0. Here's 5. Here's 7. There's point here. Here's 8. Alright, so by increase, that will give us 187.5. Alright, are you getting it? Alright, so that is how to carry out percentage increase and decrease. Alright, if you enjoyed this my teaching, I'd like you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thank you so much for watching.